Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to play Happy Birthday. So first one, okay, first of all you can see the chords here. You have these three chords only, three chords, F, C7 and then B flat. Okay, so let me show you how to press the chords. First of all you have this index finger on the second string, first fret. Okay, this is first fret, second fret, third fret. Okay, then and so on. And this is first string, second string, third string, and top string. Okay, so lower string, lower string. Okay, so for F, you just press the second string from the bottom, your second string from bottom, and then using the index finger, first fret. Then after that, your second fret, you use the middle finger to press the top string like this. Okay, so you strum down, it sound like this. Then after that, you have this C7. Okay, C7 is actually this this part here, C7. Okay, which is your middle, your first index finger on the first fret, first string, lowest first string. Okay, so it sound like this. Then after that, we have this most difficult one here, which is B flat. Okay, you have to press both fingers together. Okay, both strings together with your one finger. Okay, a little difficult. Okay, just try to press as much as possible. Okay, it will become better with experience of with training. Okay, so the middle finger on the third string, and then the ring finger on the top string, something like this. You sound like this. Okay, you should press it until when you strum, it sound like this. Okay, not the pop pop pop. Okay, not like this. Okay, how? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to actually play the song. Okay, level one, the most easiest one is just to strum at the where the chord is. Okay, you can see F is above okay, birthday, the above, right? Then U C7. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to. Okay, okay, so we have this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CK. Happy birthday to you. Okay, this is level one. Okay, so level two, we will just strum downwards. Okay, you can strum with the happy together. For the starter, you don't do that. But later I'm going to show you a running start. Okay, that means I strum already, then we start. Okay, for the starting, you just say happy, then strum. Okay, happy. Okay, I try the down down down. Okay, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CK. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CK. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so to end, you just drag a bit, then you strum, last strum. Okay, so the last one is up, down, up, down. Okay, up, down will be a bit more lively and can be a bit faster if you want. Okay, so I will demonstrate to you how to do up, down, up, down. Okay, or you can use the other strumming method like down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so okay, I'll just show you the simple up, down, up, down. Okay, you will make it a bit different from just down. Okay, so same thing, I will just happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CK. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CK. Happy birthday to you. Okay, just now you can see that I also pressed strongly. I did press strongly on the last part, the two I earlier, but it doesn't sound that different. Okay, so okay, just I hope you can practice, and then this is quite a common song. You can sing happy birthday to anyone, okay, and then sure a lot of chance for you to practice. So all the best. Bye bye.